Hi, I'm getting ready for work and I figured I would show you how this pencil in Black Raisin on Almay Intense Eye Color, I think it's for green eyes, can work even with a red lipstick as an outline. Okay. Once again, I'm only slightly outlining, I'm outlining my whole lip, but I'm a little bit overlining just right here. If you do it on the sides, it will look obvious. And only do it a teeny bit, you know. If you look like a clown, that's your first inclination that you're making a mistake. So then I will overline, and when I'm literally barely overlining. Some may argue I'm not even overlining, and that's what we want them to argue. Telling you guys this is the best eye pencil and this is the best lip pencil. You need a guideline that's correct. So now we're going to put this on. This is Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal and Matador. They have one Shanghai. It's really nice too. These are both like blue reds. Now remember what I told you. You gotta let it dry because it's all in here. All in here. If it's a gnat, you gotta let the gnat dry, okay? Now I do this once like that and once like that, but I do this with, these are Viva paper towels. They don't get any weird paper towel residue because the worst thing you could do is do that with one of those sheddy toilet papers or ones that shed, what is this called, the paper towel? It'll ruin your lip, ruin. So I recommend it.